You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce the name of the new president of Argentina. Right, so I've seen videos online that are quite interesting. Even some of the best ranking ones on YouTube that are kind of off. So let's break it down in Spanish. Okay, so we're talking about Argentinian, so Spanish. Javier. If you cannot pronounce the Spanish J, you can replace it with an H, okay, and say Javier, or Javier. The V is pronounced like a B, right? So Javier, or Javier. Milei, okay, Milei, okay, not Milei, Javier Milei. So if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, go with Javier Milei, or in Spanish, Javier Milei. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.